Welcome to Grizz's workshop. This great lummox is Grizz.
Not an expert or an exemplar of safety.
This is a quick and rough project I ended up filming, not because it's particularly interesting, but because I was doing it and I have a YouTube channel. On occasion, when my niece and nephew visit, they ask for some paper and pens to draw with. My niece in particular likes to lose herself in art. To save them from having to take my printer paper, I thought I'd set up a little station they can access on their own, using only scrap wood. My only known dimensions were that of an A4 sheet. I tried not to use too much material. I had some 12mm, that's half-inch plywood, and some 18 3/4-inch plywood sheet. I cut them down to the same and specific size, a bit wider and taller than an A4 sheet. I cut a dado down the length of the front and back, again a bit wider than an A4 sheet, and then cut the front into 3 pieces. The largest piece was the door, and the other 2 bits were either side. I had an oversized base, as this was to be used upright, and I needed to be stable. I didn't want it to fall on the children. I had some nice offcuts of 6mm plywood, it's a 1/4 of an inch, to make up the interior trim. I cut a piece to slide down into the dado, gradually trimming it until it was the correct width. I used smaller bits to make up the compartments on the right hand side of the A4 section to hold pens and pencils. It took me a while to make my mind up on the size and location of the compartments. I used an old door pull I got for a now abandoned project and some unused hinges. I added a simple top and leather handle. This was a quick and entirely practical build, nothing matches, and I didn't even finish it. It's a mackled project. What would you have done differently? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.
See you next time on Grizz's Workshop.